So good morning everyone. So next problem is ninth bit. Only 2 bits are remaining to complete our chapter. So ninth bit. So sum of 3 expressions is 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. So if you add any 3 expressions, the result will be 8 plus 13a plus 7a square it seems. And in that 2 of them are 2a square plus 3a plus 2 and 3a square minus 4a plus 1. So in that 3 expression, 2 expressions they have given. So we have to find the third expression. So here what we will write first? They have given that sum of 3 expressions is equals to, if you add all the 3 expressions, so that will be 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. So in that 3 expressions, only 2 expressions they have given. So first expression is what? First expression is 2a square plus 3a plus 2. And second expression is, what is second expression? 3a square minus 4a plus 1. So these are the 2 expressions what they have given. So what we have to find? We have to find the third expression. So that expression I am taking in the form of x. Okay, the x is an unknown expression which we have to find. So if you add these 3 expressions, the result will be 8 plus 13a plus 7a it seems. Okay, now you add these 3 expressions. So 2a square plus 3a plus 2, first expression plus, and second expression is 3a square minus 4a plus 1 plus third expression is x. We don't know, we have to find the x value. So is equals to, if you add these 3 expressions, how much you will get? 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. Okay, so now remove the brackets. Before bracket you are having plus sign, so write as it is. Before bracket you are having plus sign, so write as it is. Plus x is equals to 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. Now solve the like terms here. So what are like terms? 2a square, 3a square. So a square I am writing as it is. 2 plus 3 will be 5, 5a square. Next terms, a. So a term I am writing here. Plus 3 minus 4. Plus 3 minus 4 will be minus 1a. And plus 2 plus 1. Plus 2 plus 1 will be plus 3. I am writing this x as it is. And write this term. 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. Now we want to find this x value. So this whole terms I am transposing to other side. I am transposing to other side. Transposing means every sign will be changed. Okay. So x is equals to, first you write this expression 8 plus 13a plus 7a square. I am transposing plus 5a square. So it will be minus 5a square. Minus 1a can be written in the form of plus 1a square. Plus 3 will be in the form of minus 3. Okay. Now again you solve the like terms. So what are like terms here? First a square terms will take. So a square, this is only a. A square. So a square I am writing. Plus 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 will be 2a square. Next a terms. 13a, 1a. 13 plus 1 is 14. So plus 14a. Next one is constant terms. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 will be 5. So plus 5. So what is the third expression here? Therefore, third expression is equals to 2a square plus 14a plus 5. So this is our third expression. Okay. So next last bit in this chapter. So with this bit our chapter will be completed. So next 10th bit. So what they have given? If A value, B value, C value, three expressions they have given. So A value they have given as 4x square plus y square minus 6x y, and B value they have given as 3y square plus 12x square plus 8xy, and C value they have given as 6x square plus 8y square plus 6xy. So these are the three expressions. So find, they have given some questions, we have to find that. So first one is A plus B plus C. So we have to add all the three expressions here. Okay, so what is the A value? That is 4x square. A is equals to, I am writing, A is equals to 4x square plus y square minus 6xy. B value is how much? 3y square plus 3y square. Next 12x square. So 12x square plus 8xy. So her B value is 12x square plus 3y square plus 8xy, and C value is 6x square plus 8y square plus 6xy. So these all terms we have to add now. So first write all the alphabets as it is. So that will be here x square, here y square, here xy. Okay, now see the constant values now. So from x square terms I am starting here, plus 4 plus 12, or 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. 10 plus 12 will be 22x square. Here also all terms are plus. 1 plus 3 will be 4. 4 plus 8 will be 12. And here one minus term is there. So if you cancel this plus 6 and minus 6, what is the result? Plus 8. So what is the answer? 22x square plus 12y square plus 8xy is our answer. So next one, second one in that. So what is second one? A minus B minus C. So A minus B minus C. From this result you have to subtract the C value. So first we will subtract these two. A value is how much? A value is 4x square plus y square minus 6xy, and B value is how much? That is 3y square plus 12x square plus 8xy. So what we are doing? We are doing subtraction. Subtraction means the signs will be changed here. So if it is plus, it will be minus, minus, minus. And here A minus B is equals to, now we have to consider these signs. And first you write the alphabets as it is. Okay, now see the constant values. Plus 4 minus 12. Plus 4 minus 12 is how much? Plus into minus is minus. 12 minus 4 is 8. Bigger number sign is minus. So it will be minus 8x square. Now come to this part. So plus 1 minus 3. Plus 1 minus 3 will be plus into minus is minus. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Bigger number sign is minus. So you got as minus 2 here. And in this case, minus 6 minus 8. Minus into minus is plus. So 6 plus 8 will be 14. Okay, bigger number sign is minus. So here it will be minus 14xy. Now with this result we have to subtract C value. So here you got A minus B value as this part. So A minus B minus C we have to do. Okay. So first what is A minus B value? Minus 8x square minus 2y square minus 14xy. Okay, now from this you have to subtract c value. So what is c value? 6x square plus 8y square plus 6xy. So we are doing subtraction here. So all the signs will be changed. It is plus, it will become minus, minus, minus. Only these signs should be considered now. Okay, now a minus b minus c is equals to, write all the alphabets as it is, x square, y square, xy. Okay, now minus into minus will be plus. So you have to write minus 8 minus 6. Minus into minus is plus. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is how much? 8 8 16 means it will be 14. So minus 14. It will be minus 14x square. Next minus 2 minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. 8 plus 2 is 10. Bigger number sign is minus. So you will get minus 10y square. In this case, minus 14 minus 6. Minus 14 minus 6 is how much? Minus 20xy. So this is our second bit. Okay. Next one, third bit we will see. Okay, so now third bit, what is third bit they have given? That is 2a plus b. So 2a plus b. So for this a value you have to multiply 2 first. So a is how much? 4a square plus y square minus 6xy. They told that 2a, 2 into a. So this 2 we have to multiply to this expression. So 2 into 4x square plus y square minus 6xy. So 2 4s are 8x square plus 2 into y square is 2y square minus 2 6s are 12xy. So this is our 2a value. Okay, what we have to do? 2a plus b we have to do. So for this 2a term, we have to add b term. What is b term? Plus 3y square plus 12x square plus 8xy. So for the addition, no need of changing the signs. So here it will be 2a plus b is equals to, now x square term, y square term, xy term. Now add and subtract the terms. 8 plus 12 will be 20x square. 2 plus 3 will be 5y square. Minus 12 plus 8 will be minus 4xy. So this is our third solution. And last bit in this. So what is last question? Fourth question, that is a minus 3b. So a term we have to write as it is. For b you have to multiply 3 here. Okay, so what is b term? That is 3y square minus 12x square plus 8xy. So for this b we have to multiply which term? Which number? 3 number we have to multiply. So 3 into 3y square plus 12x square plus 8xy. Now multiply the terms. 3b is equals to 3 3s are 9y square plus 3 12s is 36x square plus 8 3s is 24xy. Okay. Now for this b we have to subtract. From a you have to subtract 3b value. So what is a minus 3b? A value is 4x square plus y square minus 6xy. And what is 3b value? 3b value is 9y square 36x square plus 24xy. What we are doing? We are doing subtraction. Subtraction means we have to change the signs. What we have to do? We have to change the signs. So here a minus 3b will be equals to, first all the variables you write as it is. Now constant numbers. 36 minus 4 will be 32. bigger number sign is minus, so minus 32 whole square. Now here minus into plus will be minus. 9 minus 1 is 8, bigger number sign is minus, so you got minus 8 y square, and here minus into minus is plus. 24 plus 6 will be 30, bigger number sign is minus, so what is our result? Minus 32 x square minus 8 y square minus 30 xy. So this is our result. This is our result. So with this, our chapter has been completed.